I want my kids, I want them so badly to want to be there. I want them to enjoy those high school years, because we all know, this sounds like I always say cliche, but we all know that we wish we could go back to high school and enjoy it a little bit more. And they don't know that yet. So I think the wisdom, no matter how old we are, that we want to figure out what is it that we can do as a culture. Like I said, the boombox dismissal, the red carpet arrival, the music in the classroom, music in the hallways, the flash mob in the cafeteria. I mean, when teachers flash mob the kids while they're eating in the cafeteria, they're like horrified, but they love it. They just love it, because they're like, oh my gosh, look, these are our teachers. And before you know it, you have less behavior and you actually have more engagement, because they're not looking at school. I mean, this happened during COVID. School became a checklist of things to do on a Google Doc. And it just kind of separated us from the human connection part of it. And then we started using snow days, and they became virtual days. And I think what we're doing, is different. But with our kids, oh, it's virtual. Well, that doesn't replace school. And a blizzard bag doesn't replace school. Yeah, I want them to want to be in school. So we've got to really think about, what is it like for 5.5 hours a day? Would I want to be a student in the school? Would I want to be a student in my classroom?